Hello, we are doing numbers 46, 47, and 48 of our final review. Again, we're preparing for the try to final. It says find the length of the missing side. We are going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember, c is your longest side across from your right angle. So that's what we're looking for. Let's say 8 is a and 6 is b. Again, you can flip-flop a and b and you'll get the same answer. So it doesn't really matter if 8 is A or 8 is B or vice versa. Alright, we're going to plug it in. So we have 8 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. So we really have 64 plus 36 equals C squared. If I go ahead and add 64 plus 36, I get 100 equals C squared. My last step is going to be to take the square root of both sides, and we get C equals 10. And that is our missing side. The next one says find the length of the missing side. Leave your answer in simplest radical form. So again, we're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're missing c squared, our hypotenuse, across from our right angle. This part, let's be a, let's let 10 be b. Again, we could flip-flop a and b if you want. It'll work either way. Alright, so we have 14 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. If I square 14, I get 196 plus 100 equals c squared. If I add those together, we get 296 equals c squared, and then we have to go ahead and take the square root of both sides. Alright, I cannot take the square root of 296 and get a perfect square, so that means I have to simplify my square root of 296. To do that, I am looking for a perfect square that goes into it, and I don't know what that is. Again, if you're in Miss Sylvester's class, there's a list of the perfect squares on the board, so you can go ahead and try to divide it by those numbers. I tried 16, I tried 36. I'm going to do divide by 81 maybe. 4. Goes in there 74 times. I'm going to pause while I figure this out, and then I'll restart my video. Alright, I figured it out. Okay, so 4 goes into 296 74 times. So 296 is the same as 4 times 74. Again, I can break that up so we have the square root of 4 and the square root of 74. All I did was I broke it apart to take the square root of the two things. The square root of 4 is 2, and then we can't simplify 74 anymore. So my final answer would be 2 root 74. Alright, and that is your answer in simplest radical form. My last one says find the length of the missing side. Leave your answer in simplest radical form. This time they give me my c value, so 13 is going to equal c. Maybe 10 is a and we're missing b. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Again, a is going to be 10 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. If I square 10, I get 100 plus b squared equals 13 squared, which is 169. Again, we're going to subtract 100 from both sides. We get b squared equals 69. We're going to go ahead and take the square root of both sides, and we have to simplify the square root of 69. In order to do that, I'm looking for a perfect square that goes into 69. To be honest, I don't even know if there is one. I'm going to pause again while I figure it out. Alright, I double checked this one. There is not a perfect square number that goes into 69, so I can't divide it by 2, I can't divide it by 4, I can't divide it by 9, I can't divide it by 16, I can't divide it by 25. There is not a perfect square that works, so my final answer would be the square root of 69, which, as Drake says, that's 8 something. And that is your solution for number 48. Alright, thank you for watching. Good luck on your final.